Today we're taking a closer look at the MBRP 3-inch Armor Plus muffler bypass for the 2020 and newer 6.2 liter Silverado 1500s. Now if you're looking to maximize your exhaust flow, increase the volume, and enhance the overall performance, this is going to be a great option. This is going to be perfect for Silverado owners who want a more aggressive exhaust note while eliminating the restriction of that factory muffler. This MBRP muffler bypass is designed to replace that factory restrictive muffler, allowing for uninterrupted exhaust flow. By removing the muffler, you'll experience a noticeable increase in volume, deeper tone, and improved throttle response. So let's get right into it with that Wake the Neighbor scale. We're gonna have to go ahead and give this one a 5 out of 5 since all you're doing is fully deleting any muffler coming out of that system. The design minimizes back pressure, which can help enhance horsepower, torque, especially when paired with other exhaust modifications. Since this is a bypass pipe rather than a full catback system, it is an affordable way to boost the sound and the performance without the major overhaul of replacing the muffler. It also maintains the stock exhaust routing with the nice contoured bends in the pipe to ensure a perfect fit and compatibility with the factory tailpipe. Whether you're looking for a more aggressive exhaust note for daily driving or just a louder tone for performance applications, this bypass is gonna get the job done. Built from 3-inch T409 stainless steel, this bypass pipe is designed for durability and corrosion resistance. It offers excellent strength and longevity, making it a solid choice for those who drive in those various conditions and maybe have some salt on the roads in the wintertime. The smooth mandrel bent design ensures optimal airflow, while the direct fit construction allows for a seamless installation without the need for excessive cutting or welding back together. Now as far as pricing goes on this, it's coming in right around that mid 100s price range, which is an excellent price for improving that exhaust note and getting more airflow out of your engine. Installation is a straightforward direct fit replacement, so we're rating this one a soft 2 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in just about 1 hour of your time. This is going to be a bypass pipe, and like I said, designed as a direct bolt-on replacement and should fit right in the place of that factory muffler. Now, let's check out exactly how that install process goes with an installation video from one of our American Trucks customers.
Here's all the tools really required for the job. I used a pry bar to get off the donut gaskets. They do make a donut hanger, tool that would make it probably easier on me. 15 millimeter wrench to hand tighten. I used a 15 millimeter electric ratchet to take it down most of the way. Measuring tape, always the safety glasses. I use the chain style exhaust cutter. You can get these at that place we all know of for about 20 bucks. Jack stand to hold the muffler so it doesn't fall on my head, and lithium grease to help slide the exhaust hanger back on its post. Today we're going to be installing the MBRP muffler delete pipe. Step 1 is to remove the muffler inlet, get it as close as possible to the face of the muffler. I will be using a chain style cutter. Try to get as close as I can. Alright, that's a nice free clean cut. Just bad boy off of here. Now we'll move on to the rear. For the instructions, measure out 5 inches off of the rear face of the muffler. Like I said, the muffler is supported with jack stand so it doesn't fall on my head. I'm ready to remove this. Now we have the pipe gone. Naggle this up here. I already got the clamps on. This side on. The rear. Pretty much the same thing. Got a little bit more movement. Oh boy, that got some movement. let's reinstall our hangers. A little bit of grease makes it easier. Just using some lithium grease on here. Do the same thing. A little bit of lithium. Makes everybody happy. Put this guy back in. Alright. Make sure we're nice and even on here. Make sure the angle is good. Looks to be. Now we'll clamp it in the appropriate areas. The clamp is a 15 millimeter nut. Put this up out of the way. Doesn't get caught on anything. Hand tighten it down. That feels about good. Tighten this dog down. And folks, that is installed. Looks good. Nice and clean.
All right, that's going to wrap up our review and install of the MBRP 3-inch Armor Plus muffler bypass for the 2020 and newer 6.2 liter Silverado 1500s. And for all things Silverado, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.